Detection of hidden camera is provided by KaranKavach.com, a social media app for security. If you go to a hotel or changing clothes in a shopping mall, you don't have to worry from hidden cameras anymore. You can use Karan Kavach lifetime free hidden camera detection feature, and you can detect almost all type of cameras, very small, tiny cameras, the cameras which are not even visible from your eyes, infrared cameras, and then cameras which is hidden behind the mirror. All these can be detected. Let's see how you can use this feature. Detect hidden camera. Over here we have provided all the instructions how to detect infrared cameras, then how to detect all type of cameras by detecting camera lenses, and how to identify false mirrors which can have hidden camera behind them. Click upon detect hidden camera. Detecting infrared cameras. As you can see from the naked eye, this is normal hole and this is infrared camera applied hole. There is no much difference from the naked eyes. When you use hidden camera detection feature, in the normal hole you can see nothing, but in the infrared applied hole you will be able to see the infrared light. Detecting all type of hidden cameras by detecting camera lenses. So over here in this screen you can see we cannot see any hidden camera over here. Nothing is visible over here, right? Over here you need to turn on the flash and then start video recording. As you start the video recording, you need to scan it. You need to check all the points on this screen, maybe TV screen, or maybe the place which you. Oh yes, over here. See, over here we can see one hidden camera is there. As you go close to this, right now it seems a bit of green light. It can be green, red, or any color, or maybe white light as well. How to differentiate normal mirror versus one-sided or two-sided mirror. As you touch the mirror, you can see there is a gap in between the finger and its mirror image in the upper mirror, but the down mirror is touching completely. So upper mirror is normal. The down mirror can be one-sided or two-sided mirror, or maybe it is simple plastic or acrylic mirror. So keeping the caution, you should cover such mirrors from cloth. I am Rakesh, working as CEO and CTO on KaranKavach.com. KaranKavach.com upcoming features like fake call, fake police siren, detection of hidden camera, spy camera, call to nearest police officer, source, then lifetime free unlimited chat, call, file transfer, donate to society, collect donations from society. Will blow your mind. Don't forget to download our app from Google Play Store. We are launching on 20th January 2025. Download our app and protect your family. Keep on nurturing the society with inevitable protection. Protect your family with our app.